Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Kwid infotainment system and unlocking the screen. This primes the module to accept pair requests. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and visible, and keep it within 1 to 2 meters of the car. You should also set the ignition to position 2 or use the original USB power so the unit stays active. These steps reduce connection drops and let the head unit search reliably for your phone, so do them before pairing. You now initiate pairing. On the Kwid head unit, navigate to phone or Bluetooth and pick pair new device. The system begins broadcasting. Meanwhile, on your phone, tap scan or discover and watch for the Kwid device name to appear. Once you see the name on both screens, select it and verify the PIN matches. Confirm on both sides. Make sure to accept requests for contacts and media access. This enables hands-free calls and audio streaming, rather than just basic connectivity. You finish by testing a call and playing audio to confirm the Kwid is primary output. Adjust volume and mic settings if needed. If pairing fails, first delete any saved Kwid device entry on your phone and remove the phone from the car's paired list. Then retry pairing, as cached profiles often cause conflicts. If problems persist, reboot or reset the infotainment unit and repair. This clears corrupted settings. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves stuff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.